guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining. So today it's all about some home organization items and things I found from Ikea. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I love to have you part of the family. And if you love Ikea, leave me a spirit fingers and below in the comments. So let me show you what I found. So this item is called, okay, you know how Ikea is, and with the pronunciation of these names, don't hold me to it. Behoved, I guess, B-E-H-O-V-D. This was in the kitchen section, and it's like a thermos. It's like a beast cup, but in a pitcher. You can open it here, untwist it here. You can pour your liquids in here. It's like a big thermos, pretty much. This thing is great for, you know, maybe if you want to host a brunch, even for around the house. Let's say you want to do a big family breakfast, and you want to keep some hot water so people can make a cup of tea, or even orange juice. You can put your orange juice in here, and it'll stay cool. So it serves as both for hot and cold purposes. So this was a great find from Ikea. And you can close it and keep it closed. So especially if you're doing something maybe outdoors, flies won't get in it and all of that. Or even indoors, people won't be breathing on it. That's always great, right? So another great find are these Tupperware bins. Like, these are compartmentalized storage containers. And this is super deep, and it has different sizes. So you have a long size down here, two bigger medium sizes and two smaller sizes. These are great for organizing your drawers. You can store your coffees in this, your teas, anything in your kitchen, anything in your bathroom, any type of drawer in your office. These things are great for organizing drawers. I highly recommend you guys check them out. This is the first time I saw these exact ones there. So this is great for organizing and using it for storage. So another item that's great for storage is this. I found this in the bathroom section. It's nice and clear, and I like clear things. It's like a black tint to it, but it is clear, and you know, you can always find these at Ikea. And these are your dish brushes for cleaning. And you know, these have the things at the bottom that you can, you know, stick it to the countertop. But if you don't want it sticking on your countertop, you can always grab one of these, and you can either, if you want, you can stick it in the bottom of that, so that if water's dripping off of them, it can drip in the container. You don't have to stick it, you could just lay it in there too and put it under your sink. So I think this little container serves so many purposes. You can use it in your bathroom, in your kitchen, in your office, wherever you need something to store. I'm showing you how I'm gonna use it to store them up under the sink. That's just an idea. So some more great storage items from Ikea are definitely these white bins that has the top and that are stackable. And because they're stackable, you can store so many items. I love these things. I think these are great for organization, and they're white and they're so clean, and we have them stacked. I mean, it can change a cabinet. It can definitely make things look very organized. This was a smaller one, and the name of them is Kuggis, I guess, K-U-G-G-I-S. Don't hold me to that pronunciation. You can put baby items, you can do kitchen items, bathroom items. So the options are limitless for storage for these. So I highly recommend you grab you some, because they're definitely durable, they hold a lot, and they have a top. And that's rare for storage bins, because a lot of them just are like baskets. So if you don't want baskets and you want something that's stackable, these are perfect, okay? Perfect. So another storage container that you can find at Ikea are these, and they're called pluggers. These, I think, because they're made of plastic, I think these will be great for storing things like oils and cleaning supplies, you know, anything that, you know, you don't want wasted on your cabinets in case it drips or spills. So let's say you wanted to store all your cleaning items, instead of like storing, and I love to do this because we have the wood bottom floors, and if oil get in it or it stains the bottom of the cabinets. So I look for these type of plastic bins to store oils in, to store cleaning supplies in. So like this is one of my favorite cleaners. If you guys have not saw any of my previous videos, I talk about Whip It all the time. I don't have to use a lot of cleaners. It does the job for almost everything in the house. So I'm so glad I found that. So yeah, like It stores all, if you want to put all your cleaning supplies in here. This is huge, it's humongous. I still have a lot of space in here. I can add my brushes and anything I need to dry, because sometimes your cleaning brushes or erasers are wet. You can put it in here and let it dry, and it doesn't damage your cabinets. So these things are great, and it has a little opening here, and it's very lightweight. I love that it comes in white, and I love that it's also plastic and can be wiped down. So this is great for any liquids that you don't want ruining your cabinets or your furniture. So I have some more great items for organizing from Ikea. It's things for your kitchen. This is like a sugar dispenser or oil dispenser. You can use this for so many things. It's great for pouring if you need to pour over it. I'm likely gonna use it for oil, but you can use it for so many different things. And it's not as big and bulky as some of the other dispensers. You can put so many things in here. You can put creamer if you wanted to. For my kitchen, the satin will match our satin accessories as well as like our faucet and stuff, so it would just blend right in. And then they also have these, which are called, I don't know, it's ORTFYLLD. So these are also glass and nickel brush top. So adorable, so cute, it's so clean. This would be great for spices or any little things that you wanted to add in here. I think this is so clean, and it would definitely upscale your kitchen. And I love clear, something about clear and silver tops I really do like, and I think it just makes the kitchen look upscale anyway. But you'll be surprised, these came from Ikea and they were super cheap. And they also have these, which it's a 4-bottle, $3.65, however you pronounce that. It's a pack of 4, and they have their black top. But the thing about these tops is they are like the salt dispenser tops. So you have the big opening here, and then you have the smaller opening on the other side. So I definitely am probably gonna use these for salt and pepper, and maybe even like sea salt and seasoning salt, because we love fries. And so you get your option of what you want to put in your fries, or you can even put, like, you know, the butter salt, because my husband loves popcorn. You can put your different flavors of popcorn salts in these and sprinkle them over and tag them or whatever. All these items are in their kitchen department, and they're great for helping you organize your kitchen to make it look nice and clean. So another great must-have that I have to get from Ikea are their Ziploc bags. So I know you're like, I can get Ziploc bags from anywhere. Okay, the answer to that is yes, you can. But I will tell you why I like Ikea's Ziploc bag so much. One, they have tons of different sizes, and like they have huge Ziploc bags for inexpensive. So, and you get a lot of them. So instead of going to the grocery store and paying like $4 for a 10-pack of super big gallon bags, you can get these, which has not only one size, but it has 2 sizes inside each box. So for instance, this one has a 4.5 liter bag, and they have 5-quart bags. So they're different sizes, and they have the smaller ones, the medium size, and the bigger ones. These are the big ones. I love getting the big ones from there. This is great for freezing food. Their bags are not cheap, they're heavy duty. And to show you how they look, they are colorful, by the way. They are not clear, as a heads up. But the colors help you differentiate the sizes, because if you get all the different sizes, you can tell the difference by the colors. So, and they have them, the 2 sizes in the box, just like this, for all the sizes. These are the very large sizes, which we love to get. So I always have to get Ziploc bags from there. And you just get so many of them. Does it say how many is in here? So you get 15 of each in these. And I can't remember the price. It was like maybe $1.99 or $2.99, I can't remember, but they weren't expensive at all. But they're super heavy duty, which I really like about their Ziploc bags. So definitely check them out if you have not. And so this I also found at Ikea, and it's called the Viscit. Is how you say it again? This was only $9.99, and what it is a storage tower. They are stackable, and I mean, I think this is just great when you need some extra storage in a space, maybe a small space like a pantry, or maybe even a garage or a bathroom. You know, you don't need something big and bulky, you just need something small and that can store some items. I think this is great, and it's deep. trying to show you how deep the inside is. The good thing about them, you can stack a lot of things on here. It's deep, so you can put so many things on there. I'm gonna show you how it stacks up, but yeah, you can use this in so many different areas for any type of storage that you need, and it's cheap. It's a really cheap tower. Alright guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. If you love shopping at Ikea, also drop me a comment and let me know. Give me a spirit fingers if you do. And let me know some things you like to buy from there, because I love to hear what you guys like to get from there as well. If you love home decor videos and organization videos, I also have a Target video for kitchen and home accessories that you can check out. That's all for today. I'll see you in my next video.